Now see the sixth question in exercise 3.1. See the question. If y is equal to 2 sin alpha divided by 1 plus cos alpha plus sin alpha, then prove that 1 minus cos alpha plus sin alpha divided by 1 plus sin alpha is equal to y. Solution. Now you are asked to prove that this equation 2 sin alpha divided by 1 plus cos alpha plus sin alpha is equal to here 1 minus cos alpha plus sin alpha divided by 1 plus sin alpha. Now we have to prove these two equations are equal. Now see take the left hand side, 2 sin alpha divided by 1 plus cos alpha plus sin alpha, which is equal to, now you have to separate the terms in the denominator. Now we shall combine 1 plus sin alpha as one term and plus cos alpha you write it as a last term. Now we have just changed the position. Okay, so 2 sin alpha divided by 1 plus sin alpha plus cos alpha. Now let us rationalize the denominator. நம்ம conjugate எடுப்போம் இல்லையா, அது போல தான். 1 plus denominator பாரு 1 plus sin alpha plus cos alpha. இந்த denominator நம்ம rationalize பண்ணுறது, அதாவது conjugate எடுக்கிறது. அப்படின்னா multiply both the numerator and denominator by the same number but opposite sign. இங்கே ப்ளஸ்ன்னு இருக்கு இல்லையா, இங்கே மைனஸ்ன்னு போட்டுக்கோ. ஸோ இதே டேர்ம் தான் இங்கேயும் இருக்குது, பட் மைனஸ் இருக்குது இல்லையா. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் 2 sin alpha, write as it is, and here you have 1 plus sin alpha minus cos alpha. The whole thing divided by, here you have in the place of 1 plus sin alpha, here also you have 1 plus sin alpha. Cos alpha, here also you have cos alpha. Plus and minus you have. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. What is the identity? A plus b into a minus b. It is a square minus b square. So 1 plus sin alpha the whole square is like a square minus, instead of b you have cos. So b square, cos square alpha. Now let us simplify the denominator alone first. இப்போ denominator எடுத்துக்கோ. What you have in the denominator? 1 plus sin alpha the whole square minus cos square alpha. It is in the form of a plus b the whole square. 1 plus sin alpha the whole square எப்படி இருக்கு? A plus b the whole square. A square, அதாவது 1 square is 1 plus b square sin square alpha plus 2ab, 2 into 1 into sin alpha minus cos square alpha. Now you collect sin square alpha first and then write 2 sin alpha. Now you combine 1 and minus cos square alpha. So plus 1 minus cos square alpha. Now as it is you write sin square alpha, 2 sin alpha. Now we can write 1 minus cos square alpha as என்ன identity அதுக்கு? sin square alpha. இது Pythagorean identity ல நீங்க படிச்சது. sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 and sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. So அதுதான் இங்க யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம் இல்லையா. Now sin square alpha and sin square alpha, when you add it up you get 2 sin square alpha plus 2 sin alpha. Now from both the terms you can take 2 sin alpha as common. So open the bracket, 2 sin alpha 1. And here when we collect 2 sin alpha outside, 1 sin alpha is left. Okay, so write down the 2 sin alpha into 1 plus sin alpha. That is what, when you simplify the denominator you have got. Okay, now write the first equation, numerator as it is, 2 sin alpha into 1 plus sin alpha minus cos alpha. Now in the denominator, instead of this denominator, just now we have simplified and got 2 sin alpha into 1 plus sin alpha. Now you can see that 2 sin alpha and 2 sin alpha will get cancelled. So the leftover term in the numerator is 1 plus sin alpha minus cos alpha divided by 1 plus sin alpha. That is what we have in the right hand side also. See, the same you have got. So left hand side and right hand side are equal. Thank you children.